Vlogmas day 2. In today's video, we'll be setting up our Christmas tree. So we're not decorating today, we just set it up so when the decorations them come, we can just, start the whole decorating process. So, your first Christmas tree and my first Christmas tree. Okay, so I'm gonna make the most of the work. So we're already dressed to go on the road. But I say, you know what, we could just get it out of the way first. The clothes. I can't believe we reach a Vlogmas day 2 already.
So basically this tree not come with no manual?
Nope.
No girl wall?
So we have to go use your common sense, Bill.
Use my common sense?
Yeah.
Why you can't use it?
More than use yours.
I say you can't use it. So wait, for real, no girl wall?
You don't have no manual for true. You never hear me, did I ask them? Oh my god.
What?
Because them here bore up your box and make it box holy so my skin are itch. Baby, you don't understand, you don't have the phobia.
I understand that what I did more than just...
What is phobia called?
Phobia.
Try.
In name Holio.
Tryphobia.
Name Holio.
Whoa.
Alright, so basically the only thing I'm sure about, these are the base of the tree.
Yep, the base.
These are the base of the tree. That's
The Christmas tree? The Christmas tree should have been set up, but we didn't want it next Christmas. My Christmas tree up from the middle of November. And then the decoration them now come until next week. So that's another vlog.
I don't know where I'm going to
Here.
man.
It's
Yeah,
6 feet.
6 feet?
Yeah. So may I assume that this go in here so. And then this one right here.
Oh, so your common sense are work. I will just put on the branch then.
Yeah.
Alright, these palm trees, you know, say it normally shaped like a pint. So the longer one will go at the lower part.
The top part then.
Yeah, we're sure about the top. So
I guess you pull them out how you want it. So once we set up a tree, then we start pull and fluff it out.
alright, we could just go somewhere. Honestly,
What? 6 feet? I'm thinking it's shorter than this.
6 feet means a full height. But I'm 5'7".
It's taller than we. Yeah, see, it's taller than we.
Oh, what a nice Christmas tree.
That means I could have been 5.
Yeah, we could have set up some of us a real share of Christmas.
No.
I wish you a mega Christmas.
Alright.
Happy New Year.
Before we start fluff out, you could put in them here.
Alright, so. Let me see so. So I'm going in life.
How does this work?
Let's see. Look like you literally have some tall and some. See that?
How did it go?
Oh, hold on a bit. Hold on. Give me one tall. You have to hook sideways.
Sideways?
When I ask you, see that? What the tree, babe? Why the tree turn over on the TV?
What? Babe, know something?
You say, if you use my common sense, I mean, I use it. But you mean that, oh, the only thing now, babe, I'm from lower up here. I don't know which one I
So the bigger one them to go in at the middle. No, the longer one them go down at the bottom.
Yeah, because remember say it have a shape so you know go and point it at the top.
Alright.
But what I know? You are the issue for me now. You have to go do them things you know. You have to go cut them.
Cut what?
Or it look wrap up so you have to go.
No, you don't pull out that. This one not pull out, babe.
Babe, they have to pull.
No, I'm telling you. Yeah, them they have to pull out.
So let me talk.
Oh.
Because basically what it have to show you say, alright, here you know, it have to branch out. You have to do them part. Alright, so people we are trying this without a girl wall. That takes some time.
You're so good at this, babe. Continue.
Oh. So your wrist still going?
Go, babe, go. You can do this.
You go your backside.
I'm excited. Me never know if I say it go big.
Excited too. Not excited, anxious.
I'm going to fluff out in the meantime.
These are the food. So basically, sure they're not tied together?
No, babe, they're not tied.
Alright, you see, best part is you can do them part because I know you know to fix. So alright then, next thing we will tell them, we are planning to move out the table to outside and put the tree right there. So.
No, you're crazy.
Where should you go here?
Right there.
So I moved it.
Yeah, the
Outer space.
The outer space.
And outer space name.
I must say ottoman or
the
extended part of the sofa.
Yeah, that part.
And
okay,
you guys will see the decor.
First, I do this now, I feel kind of good. So satisfying.
And we're going to have the Christmas tree here when the baby born, so.
What about this when the baby born?
So you're going to buy my next Christmas tree? For what?
Oh, you keep it till the baby born. Where you put it?
I'm going to wrap it up and put it back in the box. Remember, so you can pull apart.
Yo, this when this done,
Aww.
you put the whole song which you want. Anybody doing their tree, the longest set of branches should be down at the lower section.
Depends on the shape of the Christmas tree they want. What if they want like skinny bottom, big top? Like a shady tree. Like a shady tree. What was wrong? Say it wants to give you a shade. Like the
because that moment me accept to myself say I messed up.
Careful of your words, yeah?
I messed up.
We messed up with.
I messed up badly.
You want somebody who's smarter?
So well, you're smart enough to figure out that and still silly enough to say yes.
I want a smarty pants.
I want a smarty skirt. Bro, they're color coded.
Oh my! I just realized.
Color coded, them have some little blue thing, some black thing and red. Alright, so the tallest one them which one? The black one them?
Yes!
No, wait, pause. You see them? Black, blue, alright, so basically.
So these are red.
Bro, so what the color they? We need to have one color code something, bro. Alright, so no man. Which one of them are the longest?
Brown.
The brown. No, bro, the black one are long, you know.
No, yeah, the brown are the longest.
No man, the black one are long, you know. Why, bro, this one?
Yeah.
Let me this. Go do one shoot this. Go do one shoot this.
The brown.
What are the man? No answer? Yeah, brown.
Yeah.
Brown for two. So here what? What listen?
So remove all the black them from the bottom piece. Yeah, take out the black them, put in the brown here.
If we turn this upside. Whoa! Upside down, I wonder.
Oh my god, we are so dumb. See something where you're going now. So the people hold it.
So now we turn it upside down. No, see hold it.
You push this in, you push right here, then go in, man. You hold, look.
Yeah,
the iron come to the bottom now, so.
See there. So boom. Man.
Alright, false alarm.
That can cut out the video.
Yeah, man. Let it again.
Me not cut out it.
See that? Still a work. Come in, brown. Babe, there's one color put on one side.
No, see red them, let me separate them already.
You separate everything, then I'm see yellow for already this up.
Yeah.
Dave, me man.
Yeah, look.
Yeah, no, me not look. No, me not. Where is the brown? Me?
No more brown. Here.
Me was a black this one. So,
Yeah, the black here.
Send man. Calculations, them right, you know. See it now. Take move this on the TV, because I got myself to believe. Come, brown. Just one left. No, this one brown, blue. Are you?
What color is that one?
That's what.
These are gray.
You. It's when the color code them, when we look on the tree, we at least we know what we ship up. Is it? So, we don't have to work, just put. No, we don't like, we don't know, we don't like this. Yeah, this side. Watch his style. When I have to do this, oh. Whoop. Alright, see the now. This I know.
This to go down right. See what you want on this one right, that's one. So when we say for yellow or the
Stop
red.
thinking of it.
Babe, I know the red figure top.
Alright, ready to go top?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yep, red
Positive.
figure top. Yeah, positive.
What's the rest of?
So you need yellow now. These are all the reds. The yellow here.
So one missing from the rest.
From what? See here. From with the brown.
Yeah.
Yep. Here it is. They should have separated them. So I'm going to the red them or the smallest one them. Oi.
Alright. Outside. So now ask you a question. When you're moving this, when you ever move up there, you have to move over this or this?
Not that.
No, just keep that there.
Spacious.
One of that spacious.
That's a foolishness to say. You know that big.
You know big if you kind of branch out the branching. You're right way. If you see how much space occupy. Voilà, don't move up on any yet, babe. Just voilà, don't move.
Yeah.
Do not move a must. Everything else going?
No, I have one more red.
You have one in your hand?
Mm-hmm.
Just one?
Yeah.
Alright, now put on the finishing touches.
Woo! That's some hard work. Gosh, that was so hard.
Well,
Video show when you sit down all the time.
Yeah, man, talk to him. Talk to him. I know what's that video. You see this now? Just want a person who say. And the person, yeah, talk to the one we have edited in video. And I'll get up and sweep every minute.
How deep is your love?
You know what, me see me now, I see the star. Kobe. Come. Stop for a moment, please. Over that side, please. Alright. Alright, so where is our go now?
Just have it
That's how it here.
in front of the settee for the time being.
Let's see what I'm doing. Why? It's a good look.
See what yourself.
me sweep this.
So I always a shed like that.
I know always a shit, but I know you have to come fast with it. Yeah,
Come
right?
help me fluff you out, babe.
I come there. I admire it.
But I feel like you have style. Oh, I need it right in front of one socket. So anything for plug in? Awesome. Perfect.
What plug in?
You like it? You got the love.
For weeks.
Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Jingle, 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 jingle.
Santa, so this is the most jungle jingle. The backside.
Jingle bell. Alright guys, so we are back home and I've been doing some fluffing out, so I had to rush out the house. This is our first Christmas tree. It have like some little wire in it and you can like bend it how you want it. So that's what I've been doing, just, you know, arranging them and trying to hide like in here. So you see like how you have a little space here. So what I do is just bend it like this and then bring down this one. You notice it look full. Yeah, so that's what I do. We're not gonna get the ornaments them until next week. So this is how it's going to be looking for now. And then next week we'll start the whole decoration process. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's just basically us setting up our first Christmas tree. So nothing too special, but still I gotta go and fluff it out. But I'm gonna end off Vlogmas day 2 right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.